Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. Fair value gap filled. We didn't retrace the 618. We dropped right through it to come for buy side liquidity. And now we see some support coming in, right? We have a shark fin on the 1 hour time frame, I thought. So we can expect something here, right? Longs are shaked out. If you watch on CoinGlass, you can see that the amount of long traders are literally divided by 2. But this gives us an opportunity to go long again or to add to your position, right? The thing is now, to be honest, I entered a long position on Ethereum. As I showed you in my previous video, we retraced this fair value gap. I closed my short position and now I'm in a long position. So I want to give you guys a quick update on Ethereum because expect the unexpected. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and we filled this gap here. We fell right through the 786 and the 618 to come for buy side liquidity, to retrace the 786 to see a divergence on the 8 hour time frame, so we can expect something, right? Manipulation, liquidity sweep, upside. The thing is, dominance is still dropping. Actually, we retraced the 786 as I showed you on my X profile. If you don't follow me on X, go follow me on X. Stay updated, and let's get the most out of this market, right? Up or down, we don't care. We just try to scalp this bull run, right? Because the thing is, there's a lot of manipulation going on at the moment, and I always try to think like a market maker, and if I were a market maker, I will do the same actually over and over and over again, right? The thing is now for BTC, we retraced the 786 here, so we can expect some support here, right? If you look at this, the 618 line, it's not fitting perfectly, so we can expect a little bit more downside here to see eventually upside. To fill up this fair value gap, we created the CME gap also here, but I focus on fair value gaps, right? The thing is, if we go to Ethereum, you can see that we came for buy side liquidity. Right? If we go to the 8 hour time frame, you can see that we bounced on fair value gap. Excuse me, 4 hour daily, no, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour time frame. You can see that we bounced on this fair value gap here. It's not really a fair value gap. Let's go back to the 15. I thought it was on the 15-minute time frame. Oh yeah, it's here. So that's actually our support level now at the moment. So what I told you also in my previous video is that this fair value gap figures as support, and that's why I also took a long position here on Ethereum, right? Let me go to my trade here. You can see that we didn't hit our entry perfectly, but I entered a long here. The thing is, sometimes they play on local swing lows. You have to search. For example, this could be a very nice entry. This 618 fits perfectly with the top of this fair value gap. So there is a possibility that we see a little bit more downside from here on, actually, because BTC also has some space to go down to eventually go up, right? We still have this fair value gap. There's a possibility that we fill this gap, right? To bounce on 618, retrace the 786, come down, create a shark fin to see more upside. So 2 possible scenarios for you guys to watch out for, right? So guys, a quick update for now. If you want to level up your trading, go to the link in the description, Crypto Gainers. It's completely for free, and let's level up your trading, right? So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the crypto gainers, and with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.